Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to fix missing app icons on Samsung phone. The first way is to check if the required settings are enabled. To do this, open the settings, scroll down and select home screen. If you have the Redmi phone, you can find manage shortcuts option. But in Samsung phone, you need to turn on the add new apps to home screen item. Now shortcuts for all new applications will be automatically added to the home screen. If you don't see some installed apps, make sure they are not hidden. To do this, tap on Hide Apps and make sure the app you want isn't marked as hidden. If you have hidden apps, click the minus to remove them from the hidden list. You can also manually move the application you want to the home screen. To do this, swipe up and you will see all installed applications. You can search any installed application, for example Facebook, press and hold an app icon, next tap Add to Home. And your application appeared on the home screen. If you can't find an installed app on the app screen, try resetting the app screen app. To do this, open the settings once more and search Apps. Tap on Apps and find One UI Home. First check that One UI Home application set as default. Tap on Home screen and select One UI Home as a default home application. After that, swipe down and select Storage. Here we can clear data and cache for this application. Tap on Clear Data, confirm OK. The display bug should now be fixed and you should be able to see installed apps on the home screen. But clearing One UI Home data will reset all home screen settings. So try cleaning the cache first. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day. See you next time.